Whoa. Left-hand turn lane from Dunlawton to Ridgewood. It's backed all the way up here. No hurry, but I don't like the cars coming down Dunlawton going eastbound. Coming down at a pretty good clip. It's September 23rd at 2:26 p.m. and I wonder if this traffic signal light is broken. We want to go make a left turn from Dunlawton going eastbound at Ridgewood and then go northbound. I want to go to Arby's. My dogs want to go to Arby's too. But we're sticking out into Dunlawton area. This left turn lane is congested. I think maybe it's broken. Let's see how long it takes here.